So, hello everyone, and welcome to another vlog by Chang Bat, obviously me. And how you been? I'm tired today. I'm really sore. Um, just got done helping Dad tear up a truck and build a new one. And obviously, to try and stay awake, I've got some Mountain Dew going. Mountain Dew, if you want to sponsor me, that's great. But if not, then I understand. I mean, come on, I know I'm not that big of a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm drinking Mountain Dew. Not sponsored by anything. Do not own any of it. But I just like it because it's good. Excuse me for drinking. I'm trying to stay awake. Because I got a big day. I mean, big hour coming up. Not gonna go into any personal information, but it's pretty big. Anyway, I said I was gonna be consistent, so I'm uploading right now, as you can see, obviously. So yeah, and I don't really have anything else to do or to say, but I just feel as if I don't know how to say it. I'm caught between a rock and a hard place. Okay, let's just say that, and it's kind of hard to get out of in between the two. But yeah, I don't know what to do. It's caught between something personal and something even more personal, if that makes sense at all. And it's just really hard for me. So I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.